Well, what have we got here today? This is a Nissan Juke 2011 to 2014 Gator lights. These are the lights that go up on the top of the car near the hood on the beautiful Juke. These are the first ever professionally made, properly done, retrofitted Juke Gator lights. I have been emailed several times by people requesting me to fix their Gator light builds. This is the first one done from scratch correctly. We have the Morimoto Matchbox with an etched lens with an existing design. It's a little kanji in there. We have a custom interior that is painted the body color B20, OEM body color. We have red Diode Dynamics halos, 60mm and a 50mm up front that act as the blinkers. We have a RGB strip that goes in the middle there that's actually formed into the body. It is pretty awesome. We also have demon eyes in the projector lens itself. So this is built to match the existing build that I had done for a Nissan Juke, the headlights, where there was a red halo ring. That was his blinker. So this one is going to be the additional piece to that puzzle. So this is all Bluetooth controlled. So right now I have the demon eyes on, as well as that RGB LED strip. Now they are controlled independently. So you can see that's the demon eye doing its magical thing. And if I turn that off, and now I can control that RGB LED strip. You can also link them together if you want, but you know, whatever. Now for the record, I have this RGB LED strip all the way down, because if I turn it up, it just gets so silly bright. That's the white mode, and then gotta turn it way back down just so I can do video, because this stuff is good stuff. We also have, like I said, these halos, which are red, and they are going to be the blinker. But what's real fun about this RGB LED strip is it's also a switchback. So it blinks with everything else and then goes right back to its original color. So if I put that on, let's put that on green, and then we'll put the demon eye on a green too. Check that out. And then, so he's driving around rocking some green, and then he hits his blinker. Sexy, sexy. And then it goes back to green. And for the record, again, these will actually have the Morimoto H1 bulbs in there, which is going to be an HID setup. It's a bi-xenon. They're fog light HID setups. Pretty sweet. So now he's going to essentially have dual headlights. It's a ridiculous build. It's quite the accomplishment to get those in here and get them in here correctly, and they look super amazing and awesome. So I'm really excited. I mean, I don't know what else to say, man. I am just really excited. I'm very pleased with this one. This one came out super awesome. So I am the Juke master. It's pretty ridiculous. I love the Juke community, man. You guys are freaking retarded. It's beautiful. It's a retarded looking car, and man, I am just all about pimping it out. It's just so cool. Alright guys, this is 13 with Superior Mobile. I'm out. I'll talk to you later. See you.